Welcome to One Gratitude. This is Lorraine Aguilar. Please type your gratitude into the comment box. I look forward to seeing what those are. For those of you who are live with me, I'll be scrolling through your responses for some shout outs at the end. So, welcome, and please join me in a nice connecting breath. Connecting to ourselves and to each other. Yay! So, my gratitude today is for maintenance. So, maintenance of all things. Today I had some people installing some motion sensor lighting. So that's home maintenance. I feel so good when I do financial maintenance, for example, updating my accounts and knowing where I am. Home maintenance, body maintenance. In my life, I notice that I don't enjoy maintenance, so it takes kind of effort, and yet when I do it, it feels so good. So that's my gratitude, is for a little maintenance, and this morning it was a little home maintenance. So what is your gratitude as I sing the song? You might have heard this one before, but it just makes me so happy when I hear it. I just want to sing it. So here we go. Early in the morning, rising to the street, light me up my cigarette and I strap shoes on my feet. Got to find the reason things went wrong. Got to find the reason that my money's all gone. I got a Dalmatian, I can still get high. I can play the guitar like a mother thumping riot. Life is too short, so love the one you got, 'cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never start no static, I just get it off my chest. Never have to battle with my bulletproof vest. Take a small example, take a tip from me. Take all your money, give it all to charity. Love is what I got, it's within my reach, and the sublime style comes straight from Long Beach. It all comes back to you, you finally get what you deserve. Try and test that, you're bound to get served. Love's what I got, don't stutter riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot. Loving is what I got. Said remember that. I said loving is what I got. Said remember that. Loving is what I got. Said remember that. I said loving is what I got. I don't cry when my dog runs away. I don't get angry with the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot, hits the bottle and gets back to the rock. Working, fighting, it's all the same. Live with Louis Dog's the only way to stay sane. Let the lovin' come back to me. Oh, lovin' is what I got. Said remember that. I said lovin' is what I got. Said remember that. Lovin' is what I got. Said remember that. I said lovin' is what I got. It always makes me happy to sing that song. All right, welcome our live viewers. I'm so happy to see you here. Catherine, hey cat girl, and dear Oluf, geek tie guy. All right, let me get my glasses so I can read any comments here. Oh my gosh, and I have misplaced my glasses, so I will just squint into the camera. So, all right, we have a little good morning lovely from Hey Cat Girl, and I don't see any gratitudes. Oh, here we go, one just popped up. So, this is from Oluf, Geek Tie Guy. He says, grateful for this weird, irrational faith, and in parentheses, or is it denial, that I seem to have. Grateful for this weird, irrational faith, or is it denial, that I seem to have? You know what? I'm celebrating weird and irrational faith. And I'm curious if it's faith in what? Regardless, if it's any sort of faith that helps you through this time, no matter what judgment or label we might have. I think faith almost by definition is irrational, right? Because if it's rational, we wouldn't need to have faith. So all labels and judgments aside, I'm glad you have faith that I'm trusting is serving you in some way, Oluf. And I think to some degree we all have faith in something. So thank you for sharing that. I also enjoy your, is it denial? Because I think healthy skepticism is a really helpful muscle to balance both. Intuition and logic and faith and rationality. You know, we have that all in us. So thank you for sharing that beautiful balancing forces within you. Hey, I want to welcome Taylor Paget, who just joined the call. Hi, Tay. And we got a little message from Catherine. Let's see. She says, just grateful for another day. Oh, yes. Just grateful for another day. Life is so precious, isn't it? And every day that we wake up is a gift. So thank you for reminding all of us of that really important gratitude that we have another day to wake up to and another day to embrace in our own way. Yay! Okay, there's still time for any more if you'd like to share. And in the meantime, I'll go ahead and begin the blessing and check one more time. So as we connect with each other and connect with our own hearts in this mindfulness practice of gratitude, first of all, thank you. You sharing your gratitudes amplifies my own sense of gratitude and connection to life. So may this practice also serve you in your own way. I see we get a little message from Oluf who says, I get to chat with Zenobia tomorrow, who's also one of our frequent listeners or viewers. So yay, sending blessings for that meeting. May it go well, and thank you for reaching out to her, a seasoned Agilist with a new person, new voice to the Agile community. So at that, may we all just be vessels of kindness, overflowing into a world that really needs it right now. May we all take good care of ourselves, whatever that may be, mentally, physically, emotionally, and remember that we have each other to reach out to help us with that care as we do our part to facilitate humanity rising in mysterious and powerful new ways. It's really clear there is no going back to normal, whatever that used to be. It's only going forward, and it's up to us to create what that new future is. So thank you for being co-creators with me and to do that with gratitude. Please have a wonderful day and hope to see you tomorrow for our daily gratitude.